Introduction to Canva Pro. Welcome everyone. Today, we are exploring Canva Pro, the premium version of Canva that helps individuals and teams create professional quality visuals with ease. From presentations and social media posts to marketing materials, Canva Pro makes design accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. Key features of Canva Pro. Canva Pro takes design efficiency to the next level with features like the brand kit, which keeps your logos, fonts, and colors consistent. The Magic Resize tool lets you instantly adapt your designs for any platform, no more starting from scratch. You also get a background remover, millions of premium templates, and real-time team collaboration tools. Advantages of using Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, you save hours while creating stunning visuals. Its smart design tools and AI-powered suggestions make it easy to build content that looks professional and on-brand. Plus, you gain access to a massive library of over 100 million stock photos, videos, and audio clips, all ready to use in your projects. Canva Pro for Teams. Teams love Canva Pro for its smooth collaboration features. You can share designs, get feedback, and edit together in real time. With role-based permissions and asset management, your brand stays consistent, whether you are in marketing, education, or design. Pricing overview. Canva offers flexible plans for every need. The free plan gives you access to basic tools and templates. The Canva Pro plan, at around 499 rupees per month or 3,999 rupees per year, unlocks all premium features for individuals. For larger teams, Canva offers custom pricing with additional collaboration tools. Why choose Canva Pro? So, why upgrade to Canva Pro? Because it combines simplicity, power, and affordability. You get AI-enhanced tools, smart workflows, and a creative suite that helps you design faster, whether you are building a brand, creating content, or running a business. Conclusion. In conclusion, Canva Pro empowers everyone to design like a professional, without needing professional training. It's not just a tool, it's a complete creative ecosystem that helps you bring ideas to life beautifully and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and now, let's start designing smarter with Canva Pro.